there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add a background color in Photopea. So before starting, you will have to make sure that your canvas size is set. And first, you will have to create a new bottom layer. And then you will use layer, then new fill layer. So let's go ahead and basically just create a new layer. So you will see it right here on the bottom right. So now now once you have your layer, you will just have to place it under your other layers. And then what you will have to do now is click your paint bucket tool, which is right here, and then you will just have to choose from your color picker and set it to whatever color that you prefer. So click OK once you have your color, and then what you will have to do is just click your canvas so that you will be able to see your new background color. So yeah, that's it. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.